phone. I can fix this. I can fix it. Oh yeah, I got you. Phone. I can fix this. I can fix this. Peel that banana. Take it off, okay? And peel the banana and put the peel onto the phone, okay? So you're trying to put the peel onto the phone. Yep, just rub it on there. Yeah, just rub it, rub it in a circular motion. All right, nice and slow around the entire phone. All right. This is gonna go ahead and heal up all of the cracks in the middle, so the banana peel kind of falls in the middle. Okay. Great. Get the bottom part. Make sure it's all in there. Okay. And stop. Okay. All right. Now grab the toothpaste. All right. Get the toothpaste. And then what you want to do is you want to take the toothpaste and go in a squiggly line. Get the little piece of banana out there. Yeah, go in the squiggly line. All right, nice and slow. All over the banana, on the phone. Keep going. Yeah? And make sure you do it in an even tone. Go across the entire phone. Okay? All right. Cool. Hit the bottom. All right. Almost there. And stop. Okay, cool. Now, look, take the baking soda. All right, take the baking soda. I want you to go ahead and put that onto the phone. Sprinkle it a little bit onto the phone. Yeah. Don't do too much. Make it even. Yeah.